Okay, so good day, grade 6. So we are now on the fourth week of our Mathematics 6. So our topic is about solving percent problems. So in this lesson, you will apply what you have learned in finding the percentage, rate, and base. At the end of this lesson, you will understand how to solve problems involving percent problems, like problems involving discounts, original price, rate of discount, sale price, mark, and simple interest. So, the following terms are used in dealing discount problems. So, di ba naririnig natin yung mga discount sa pagbibili tayo tulad sa mall, may mga discount prices. So, ito po yung pag-aaralan natin. So, read and analyze these terms. So, this will help you as you go along in this lesson. So, pag sinabi natin discount, it is a decrease in the price of an item. It refers to the amount to be deducted from the original price. So, discount, ibig sabihin nito, nabawasan yung original price ng isang item na bibilhin mo. So, naka-discount ka. So, yun yung term na naririnig natin. So, pag ginamit tayo ng discount, ang ginagamit nating letter for discount is D. So, when we say original price, so, nanggaling na nga dito sa word na to, it is the regular price charge of the item. So, ito yung original price. So, ito yung unang price na wala pang discount rate. So, ito yung simulang price bago i-apply yung discount rate. So, ang ginagamit natin dito is OP. Discount rate naman, ito naman yung percent taken off from the original price. So, ito yung mga, halimbawa, 20% discount. So, discount rate ang tawag doon. Di ba yung rate, kung naalala natin last week, ito yung mayroong percent sign. So, yung discount rate, ito yung binabawas natin dito sa ating original price para makuha natin kung magkano ba yung discount. And then, yung sale price naman, it is the net price or discounted price. It is the price of the item after the discount has been deducted. So, after nating malaman yung discount rate, syempre, yung discount rate i-apply natin sa original price, makukuha natin yung discount. And, yung discount na yun, halimbawa, nakakuha ka ng, yung original price is 100. And then, na-discount mo siya na, nabawasan siya ng 20. Kasi 20% discount halimbawa siya. So, nabawasan siya ng 20. I-minus natin yung 20 doon sa original price para makuha natin yung sale price. Ito na yung babayaran mo after mong mabawas yung discount doon sa original price. So, discount and sale price both represent percentage. Original price represents the base and discount rate represents the rate. Okay, so paano yon? So, kung naalala natin doon sa ating past lesson, so gumagamit tayo ng triangle. Okay, so ito yung percentage, ito yung rate, and ito yung ating base. So, katulad rin siya sa discount. So, sa discount, so pwede tayong gumamit din ng triangle dyan. So, yung discount, at saka yung sale price, ito po yung ating percentage. Yung original price, ito naman yung ating base. And yung rate, ito yung ating discount rate, yun yung ating rate. Okay? So, halos kapareho lang din yung pagsasolve niya using yung PRB natin. So, let us look at this example. So, example 1, solving for discount and sales price. So, ito yung problem natin. So, a dress was sold for 500 pesos at a 16% discount. So, magkano po yung dress na binibenta sa 500 pesos? Magkano daw po yung discount natin? Ilang percent na yung discount natin? 16% discount. So, how much is the discount or how much can be saved? How much is the selling price? So, madami tayong question dito. Ano? So, how much is the discount? So, paano ba kinukuha yung discount? So, first, identify muna natin which is DR, which is OP, which is D, and SP. So, yung DR natin, so, kung naalala, ito yung discount rate. So, syempre, ito yung rate, yung may percent. So, So, yung discount rate, ilan pong percent ang discount natin? That is 16%. And yung OP natin, original price, so magkano daw ba binibenta ang dress? 500 pesos. Ngayon, ang tinatanong kasi is yung discount. So, yung din natin, nawawala siya. And yung ating selling price. So, nawawala po siya. So, para makahanap muna natin ito, isa lang muna yung discount muna hanapin natin. So, para makuha ang discount, ito po ang gagamitin nating formula. So, discount is equal to discount rate times original price. So, ipagmumultiply lang daw natin yung DR natin at saka yung OP. Okay, yung discount rate at saka yung original price. So, mumultiply natin siya. So, ano ba ang ating discount rate? 16%. Ano ang ating OP? 500 pesos. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-multiply ang 500 sa 16% kasi ito ay naka-percentage. And ito naman po ay may decimal. So, yan, nakita niyo 0.00 or ito yung ating whole number. So, paano natin siya gagawin? So, we can first change yung percent into decimal. So, paano po change yun? So, syempre, yung 16%, nandito yan sa dulo yung kanyang decimal point. So, we will just move 2 times to the left. So, 1, 2. So, nandito na yung sa unahan ng 16 yung ating decimal point. Kaya siya naging 0.16. Or you can just divide 16 by 100. So, para makuha natin yung 16 hundreds. Now, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. So, 500 times 16 hundreds. So, ano po nakuha? So, 80 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, pag may 16% discount sa 500, mababawasan yung 500 ng 80 pesos. Ito yung ating discount. So, makakatipid ng 80 pesos pag bumili tayo ng dress na mayroong 16% discount. So, nasagot na natin yung first question. So, nasagot na po natin to. So, now we will look for the selling price or yung sale price natin. So, paano ka nakuha yung sale price? So, simple lang po siya. Ima-minus lang natin yung original price natin, which is yung 500 pesos, sa kung magkano yung discount. So, magkano ba yung discount ulit doon? So, 80 pesos. So, we will just subtract 500 to 80 pesos. So, 500 minus 80 pesos is 420 pesos. So, ito na po yung kanyang babayaran. So, in conclusion, so the discount is 80 pesos and the sale price is 420 pesos. So, for example number 2, we will solve for the original price naman. Halimbawa, nawawala yung unang price. So, ang given lang ay discounted na siya. For example, a wristwatch was sold for 2,500 pesos with a 20% discount. What was the original price of the wristwatch? So, ano po yung ating 2,500? So, ito po yung ating selling price. So, selling price na siya. Yung 20% naman, ito yung ating DR or discount rate. So, ang hinahanap po is yung ating original price. So, paano po siya gagawin? So, pwede ito yung gamitin nating formula. So, selling price is equal to original price times the quantity. So, ito muna unahin natin. 100% minus DR. So, minus natin yung 100% doon sa ating discount rate, which is 20%. So, yung original price natin, nawawala po siya. So, yung sale price natin is 2,500. Yung ating 100% minus yung DR natin, which is 20%. So, 100 minus 20 is 80%. So, pwede siyang ipag-minus kasi pareho naman siyang percent. So, kaya siya 80%. So, ngayon, yung 80% ko-convert natin into decimal. So, move lang tayo ng 2 places doon sa ating 2 places to the left para maging decimal siya. So, magiging 80 hundreds. So, para matanggal yung 80 hundreds dito, di-divide natin both side by 80 hundreds. So, kaya makuha natin dyan, 2,500 divided by 80 hundreds is 3,125 pesos. So therefore, the original price of the wristwatch is 3,125 pesos. So in some instances naman, the seller add a particular amount on the items or goods to be sold for the profit. From the original price, the amount added is the markup price, and the new amount is called the selling price. So, ito yung kabaliktaran ng discount. So, kapag discount, bumababa yung original price. Kasi, yung, di ba, ibig sabihin nga ng discount is reducing the original price. So, bumababa siya. Pero kapag ang nakita nyo is markup price, tumataas yung ating original price. So, yung selling price natin, mas mataas na siya sa original price. So, yun yung markup. Kaya nga pataas. So, markup. Markup and selling price represents both the percentage, cost. Yung cost naman represent the base and the markup rate represent the rate. Here are the following terms that can help you to understand this particular topic. So, when we say markup or yung M, it is the increase in the price of an item. So, ito yung madadagdag, yung amount na madadagdag doon sa ating item. Yung original price natin, yung tinatawag na cost. So, yung cost, ito yung original amount. Ito yung original price. Yung parang sa discount, ang tawag din ay OP. Dito naman, C, yung cost. Okay? So, paano siya mababago? So, meron tayong markup rate. Ito yung may percent. So, yung markup rate, ito yung percent na madadagdag doon sa ating cost. Okay? So, kapag in-apply yung MR or markup rate sa cost natin, makuha natin yung markup. So, ito yung dagdag doon sa price ng isang item. So, for example, number 3, to have the profit, the businesswoman adds a markup price of 4 pesos on all the plastic products that bought in Divisoria. What is the markup rate of the plastic bottle if the cost is 50 pesos? What will be the markup or selling price? So, ang tinatanong dito is yung markup rate. Yan yung una. And then, yung ating selling price. So, ano yung tawag dito sa 4 pesos? So, ito yung ating markup. Yung M natin. So, 4 pesos. Ito yung nadagdag. Ito yung madadagdag dun sa ating cost. So, 4 pesos. And, magkano doon isang plastic bottle? 50 pesos. So, yun yung cost natin. Okay, so we have the M and C. Ang hinahanap kasi is markup rate, so yun nawawala, MR, and yung ating selling price. Ito, yung selling price, SP. So, paano kukunin itong MR? So, para makuha ang MR, we just have to divide markup and cost. Then, times 100%. So, yung markup natin, ano ba yung markup natin? 4 and 50 centavos. So, yun yung atin. Then, yung cost natin is 50 pesos. Then, times 100. So, 4 pesos and 50 centavos divided by 50 is 0.09 or 9 hundredths. Times 100. So, i-move lang natin siya pabalik. So, ilang percent siya? So, 9%. Ibig sabihin, 9% yung markup rate natin. So, paano naman kunin yung selling price? So, madali lang siya. So, para makuha yung selling price, i-add nyo lang yung cost. Ito yung cost at saka yung markup. So, 50 plus 4.50. So, 50 pesos plus 4 pesos and 50 centavos. So, magkano yung total? 54 pesos and 50 centavos. So, yun na yung halaga noong plastic bottle after nating ma-applyan ng 9% markup rate. So, when someone sell your product, you need to give him some amount of money for his effort or a certain percentage for the sales. The percent or amount that he or she will receive is called commission. So, ano ibig sabihin nun, yung commission? So, halimbawa, merong isang item. Halimbawa, may friend kayo na meron siyang isang item na gustong ibenta. Ngayon, kayo yung naghanap ng buyer or yung bibili doon, yung binentang product o yung kung ano man yung pera makukuha doon sa product na yon, bibigyan kayo kasi kayo yung tumulong upang o kayo yung gumawa ng paraan upang mabenta yung product kahit hindi naman inyo. So, ang tawag doon ay commission. Hindi inyo yung product, pero kayo yung nag-effort para mabenta yon, bibigyan kayo ng porsyento para doon sa pagbebentahan, ang tawag doon ay commission. So the commission and the sale proceeds both represent percentage. Total sales represent the base and the commission rate represents the rate. So nakikita niyo dito yung triangle, yung Teka's triangle natin, nagagamit siya sa lahat ng problem na to. So study the following terms below. This will help you to understand this lesson. So yung C natin naman dito sa commission ay commission. It is amount of money a person receives for selling something. So, ito yung nakukuha natin kung nagbenta tayo ng isang bagay na hindi naman talaga sa atin, tayo lang yung naghanap ng pagbebentahan. So, commission po ang tawag doon. Total sales naman, it is the total amount of sales made by the salesperson. Then, commission rate. So, syempre, rate uli. So, ito yung percent taken off from the selling price. And sale proceeds or yung SP, it is the amount that remains after the deduction of the commission. Yung total sales, kasama po yung selling price at saka yung commission. So, total nyo lang to, makakuha natin yung total sales. Kaya nga siya total. So, kung sa total sales na yun, binawas natin, tinanggal natin yung commission, makukuha natin yung SP or yung sale proceeds. So, for example, number 4, Mr. Lasso, a car agent, receives an 8% commission on the car he sells. What is his commission if he sold the car at 1,550,000 pesos? How much will be the sale proceeds? So dito, ang 8%, ito yung tinatawag natin na CR or yung commission rate. Then, binenta daw ng 1,550,000 pesos. Ito yung total sale. Ito yung kabuuan pa. Hindi pa natin alam kung magkano yung mapupunta kay Mr. Lasso, yung car agent. So, ito yung TS natin. So, nawawala is yung commission, yung C, and yung sale proceeds or yung SP. So, paano makuha yung commission? We just have to multiply TS by CR. So, yung total sale natin, which is 1,550,000, times yung 8%. So, since ito ay naka-percent, i-change natin siya into decimal. 8 divided by 100 is 800. So, pag minultiply natin, ang magiging answer is 124,000 pesos. So, ito po yung makukuha ni Mr. Lasso. Yun yung commission niya. Okay? So, ito yung commission niya. Ngayon, magkano talaga yung sale proceeds, yung makukuha nung mismong maker niya nung kotse. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is to subtract yung total, itong total natin, doon sa commission. So, 1,550,000 pesos minus 124,000. So, ang magiging answer natin is 1,426,000 pesos. So, yung sale proceeds talaga, ito yung makukuha ng mismong may-ari ng car, ay 1,426,000 pesos. So, next, Mr. Lasso was given a commission of 120,000 pesos. So, given na yung commission, ito daw yung nakuha niya, of 6% commission rate for selling a house and lot. So, nung nagbenta si Mr. Lasso ng house and lot, nakakuha siya ng commission na 120,000 pesos. 6% yon, 6% commission rate. So, how much is the total sales of the house and lot that he sold? So, ang tinatanong is yung TS. So, paano ako makukuha yung TS? We just have to divide yung commission divided by yung ating commission rate. So, ito yung commission natin, 120,000, divide natin sa 6%. So, divided by 6%. Yung 6%, convert natin into decimal, magiging 600. So, 120,000 divided by 600 is 2 million pesos. So, ibig sabihin, yung price ng house and lot is 2 million pesos. And since may commission ang commission rate ni Mr. Lasso is 6%, makakuha siya ng 120,000 pesos. So, for the sales tax naman, when you buy some products in the fast food, supermarkets, and other store, you will notice on your receipt that there is value added tax or VAT or sales tax. So, halos lahat ng binibili natin, meron talaga siyang tax. So, ito yung nakikita natin. Halimbawa, sa mga fast foods, yung mga may resibo, so may nakikita tayo na VAT or value added tax. Or ito yung buwis na binabayad natin or sales tax. So, mga binibili natin. So, tingnan natin yung example. So, in the restaurant, the family ordered a food that has a total amount of 856 pesos plus 12% sales tax. How much is the sales tax? So, ito yung yung total na binayaran. Tapos, may ano pa siya, may dagdag siya na 12% sale tax. So, ngayon, ang tinatanong is, magkano yung tax na yun? Magkano yung 12% pa na yun na idadagdag dun sa bayad na 856 pesos? So, ito yung in-order na food. Then, how much is the total amount paid to the cashier? So, magkano yung lahat-lahat yung binayaran ng family? So, yung 856 plus yung sales tax na mayroong 12%. So, paano makukuha yung sales tax? So, we just have to multiply total amount of products or TP times yung RST natin or rate of sales tax. So, ano ba yung total amount of product natin? Yung food natin nagkakahalaga ng 856 pesos. Then, yung rate natin is 12%. So, yung 12%, convert muna natin siya into decimal. So, 12 divided by 100 is 12 hundreds. Then, 856 times 12 hundreds. So, equivalent siya sa 102 pesos and 72 centavos. So, ito yung madadagdag pa doon sa babayaran nilang 856. So, medyo malaki yung tax. Ano po? So, ngayon, ang sunod na tanong, so nakuha na natin sales tax. Ang sunod na tanong is yung total amount paid to the cashier. So, para makuha yung total amount, so we just have to add yung yung halaga ng food at saka yung tax. So, 856 plus 102 and 72 centavos. So, ang total ng kanilang binayaran is 958 pesos and 72 centavos. So, kapag simple interest naman, ito kadalasan sa bangko. So, do you wonder why your mother or father save money in the bank? So, yan. Napansin nyo ba yun na yung ating parents, madalas, yung kanilang pera ay tinatago nila o hinuhulog nila sa bangko. So, when your mother or father deposit their money in a savings bank, the bank will pay them a small amount for using their money. This amount is called interest. So, sa halip na mag-ipon using piggy bank or alkansya, maganda rin na tayo ay nag-iipon sa bangko. Kasi sa bangko, kapag doon yung nilagay yung pera, tumutubo yun. So, yun yung sinasabi natin na interest. So, tumutubo siya ng halaga dahil parang nagpapahiram tayo sa bangko upang sila yung gagamit noon para mapalago yung pera and then bibigyan tayo dun sa tutubuin nila. So, interest po iyon. So, interest, yun yung I natin. So, it is the amount of money earned for using another's money over a period of time. Then, principal or P, it is the amount of money deposited, invested, or borrowed. So, yung principal, ito yung dineposit natin, yung original amount na i-deposit natin. Then, rate of interest or R, it is the percent added to the principal amount borrowed or invested. So, kahit halimbawa ay yung mga nagpapautang. So, di ba, nagpautang ka ng 1,000 pesos, tapos, ang interest rate noon, o yung rate of interest natin, yung R, is 2%. Halimbawa, nagpautang ka ng 1,000, pero may 2% interest siya. So, ngayon, yung 2% na yon sa 1,000 pesos, yun yung interest natin, yung tubo dun sa pagpapautang. Then yung time, siyempre yung oras, yung haba ng oras na yung pera ay na-deposit or borrowed. It always computed in terms of years. So, every year ito. Okay, then, amount due or AD is the total amount to be paid or received after a certain period of time that the principal has been borrowed or deposited. So, halimbawa, nagpautang kayo ng 1,000 pesos, then 2% ang interest rate. So, yun, 20 pesos ang tubo noon, interest. So, magkano ngayon lahat? Yun yung amount due. So, ibig sabihin, ang babayaran na nung umutang is 1,020 kasi kasama na yung interest. So, yun po yung AD. So, for example, 5, Mr. Lasso opens a savings account in commercial bank where the money earns 1.8 interest per year. If he has 9,500 pesos in his savings account, how much interest will his money earn in 1 year? So, napakadaling isolve itong interest. So, you just have to multiply the principal, the rate, and the time. So, yung magkano yung kanyang pera talaga sa bangko? So, 9,500 pesos. So, ito daw ay tumutubo kada taon ng 1.8%. So, pero dito 1.5. So, gawin na lang natin itong 1.5%. Okay, so tumutubo siya ng 1.5% kada taon. So, every year. So, 1 year. So, magkano yung tubo niya in 1 year? Okay, so multiply lang natin yung 9,500 times yung rate na 1.5% at yung time na 1. So, yung 1.5% convert natin into decimal. So, di ba ganyan siya? So, move lang natin decimal point 2 places to the left. So, 1, 2. So, move natin 1, 2. So, nandito na siya. So, dagdag tayo ng 0 dito. Okay? So, kaya siya magiging 15,000. So, yan. Then, times 1. So, pag multiply natin yung tatlong yan, makukuha natin is 142 pesos and 50 centavos. Ibig sabihin, sa isang taon, ito ang magiging interest or tubo ni Mr. Lasso sa pag-deposit ng 9,500 pesos sa kanyang savings account sa commercial bank. Then, example number 6. So, Deo Lagario borrowed money from the lending company at 6% interest. So, nanghiram si Deo Lagario ng pera sa isang company, 6% interest yon ang tubo. So, if he paid an interest of 450 pesos after 19 months, how much money did he borrow? So, ang nawawala dito is yung principal, yung magkano yung original na yung hiniram niya. Tapos, yung interest daw nung hiniram na to is 450 to. So, correct natin ha. Meron mga mali kasi sa ating module. Okay, so 450 pesos, then 6% interest. Tapos, sa loob daw yun ng 19 months. So, syempre, pag sa time, tandaan natin, i-convert dapat natin siya in year. So, paano natin siya i-convert? So, we just have to divide 19 by 12. So, 19 divided by 12. So, ang makukuha natin doon is 1.58. So, hindi po 1.7. So, ito po ay 19 divided by 12 months. So, makukuha natin is 1.58 year. Ngayon, i-substitute natin siya. So, paano po nakukuha yung principal? So, I divided by yung R times T natin, yung rate times time. So, multiply muna natin yung rate at saka time. So, ano ba yung rate natin? 6% at yung time natin is 1.58. So, yung 6% convert natin into decimal. So, magiging 600s times 1.58. Ang makuha natin is 0.0936. Then, divide natin 450 divided by 0.0936. Sa makuha natin is 4,807 and 69 centavos. So, ito po yung hiniram ni De Legario na mayroong 6% discount. 6% interest. So, for the learning task 1, we will complete the following table. So, ito ay sa discount. So, ang selling price, ito yung tinatawag natin na original price or OP. Ang DR or rate of discount or discount rate, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan is i-divide ang discount, itong discount, sa original price. So, discount divided by original price para makuha yung DR. Sa discount naman, mumultiply nyo lang yung discount rate sa original price. Kapag sa selling price naman, i-subtract lang yung original price sa discount. So, for number 1, ang hinahanap is discount at saka sale price. So, dito muna tayo sa discount. So, anong formula ng discount natin? Discount rate times OP. So, yan. So, anong discount rate natin sa number 1? 20%. Ano ang ating original price? 950 pesos. So, yung 20%, convert natin into decimal, magiging 0.20 times 950, makukuha natin is 190 pesos. Ito yung discount. So, para makuha naman yung sale price, ma-minus lang natin to original price sa ating discount. So, kaya makukuha natin is 760 pesos. So, dito ay 190. So, dito naman ay 760 pesos. Then, sa number 2, ganun din po. So, discount natin. Multiply lang natin yung DR sa OP. So, 35% times 550 pesos. Then, 35%, convert natin sa decimal, magiging 0.35 times 550. Makukuha natin is 192 pesos and 50 centavos. Then, para makuha ang sale price, subtract lang natin tong original price, 550 sa 192 and 50 centavos. So, makukuha natin is 357 pesos and 50 centavos. Then, next natin. So, hinahanap sa number 3 ay discount rate and sale price. So, sa discount rate, divide lang natin yung discount sa original price. So, yan. So, 697 and 50 centavos in discount divided by 1,550. So, makukuha natin is 0.45. So, since ito ay discount rate, pag rate, tinatimes lagi yan sa 100%. So, yung 0.45 natin, 4,500 times 100 para makuha natin yung percent. So, mumove lang natin ng dalawang place sa kanan. So, makuha natin is 45%. So, discount rate kasi siya, kailangan may percent tayo. Then, para makuha naman, sulat pala muna natin. So, ito ay 45%. Then, para makuha ang sale price, so ito lang, minus lang natin tong original price sa discount. So, makuha natin is 852 pesos and 50 centavos. Next, for learning task 1 pa din. So, 4, 5, 6 naman to. So, dito naman is yung markup. So, ang original price, ito yung nag-stand as C. Ang markup rate is MR. Then, ang markup is M. And yung SP is yung selling price. So, sa number 4, ang hinahanap is markup price at saka selling price. So, yung markup, imumultiply nyo lang yung MR, yung rate natin sa cost, yung original price. So, yan. So, ang MR natin is 20%. Ang ating C is 950. So, yung 20%, convert lang natin sa 20, sa decimal, sa maging 0.20, and times natin sa 950, makuha natin sa 190 pesos. So, 190 pesos ang nadagdag. Then, para makuha ang selling price, so, add lang natin yung markup natin sa cost. So, 950 plus 190, yun ay, so ang ating selling price is 1,140. Then next, for number 5, so, ganun lang din. Sa markup natin, multiply lang ang MR sa cost. So, 35% times 550 pesos. So, i-convert natin sa decimal, magiging 3,500s times 550. Ang makukuha natin is 192 and 50 centavos. Then, para makuha ang selling price, add nyo lang yung cost at saka yung markup. So, 550 plus 192 and 50 centavos, ang magiging total natin is 742 and 50 centavos. Then next, number 6. So, nawawala naman dito is markup rate and selling price. So, para makuha ang markup rate, divide nyo lang yung markup sa cost. So, divide natin 697 and 50 centavos divided by 1,550. Ang mukha natin is 4,500s. Siyempre, pag percent, pag rate, tinatimes sa 100. So, 4,500s times 100 is 45%. Then, para makuha ang selling price, so add lang natin ang C, yung ating cost at saka yung markup. So, ang makukuha nating total is 2,247 and 50 centavos. Then, for number 7, so ito naman ay commission. So, ang total sale stands for TS. So, para makuha ang total sale, divide lang ang commission sa commission rate. So, ito yung ating commission rate. At ito naman yung commission. So, para makuha ang commission, total sales times commission rate. So, dito sa 7, ang hinahanap is commission. So, paano ang formula? TS times CR. So, multiply lang natin yung 15 sa 5%. So, 15,000 times 5%. So, convert natin 5% into decimal. So, ito ay nagkamali lang type. So, ito magiging 0.05. So, 15,000 times 0.05 or 500s. Ang magiging answer natin, ang commission is 750 pesos. Then, sa number 8, ang hinahanap naman is total sale. So, para makuha ang total sale, so you have to divide commission and commission rate. So, yan. So, 20,458 divided by 14%. Yung 14% convert into decimal, so maging 0.14 or 1400s. So, divide natin yung 20,458 divided by 1400s. Ang magiging total natin is 146. So, ito ay magiging 146,128 pesos and 57 centavos. So, for number 9 and 10, so ito naman ay yung interest. So, ang principal amount, ito yung P natin, yung original. Then, yung R natin, which is rate. So, para makuha siya ay divided by P times T. Then, yung time natin is T. Then, yung I natin is P times R times T. So, sa number 9, ang hinahanap natin ay interest. So, multiply nyo lang yung P, yung R, at saka yung T. So, yan. So, 25,000 yung ating principal. 5.5% naman yung ating rate. And 3.5 years naman yung ating time. So, convert natin siya lahat. So, ang 25,000, ito siya. 5.5%. So, divide sa 100. So, magiging 0.055 or 55,000. Then, yung 3.5. So, 1 half ay 0.5, diba? So, magiging 3.5. Ngayon, pag pinag-multiply natin to, makukuha nating interest is 4,812 and 50 centavos. Then, sa number 10, so ang nawawala naman is rate. So, paano yung rate? Pag multiply nyo muna yung principal at saka yung time, then i-divide nyo siya sa interest. So, yan. So, we have I divided by the quantity of P times T. So, ang I natin is 252 pesos. Ang ating P is 4,200. Ang ating time is 4. Ngayon, multiply muna natin yung 4,200 sa 4. So, makuha natin yung 16,800. Then, 252 divided by 16,800 ay magiging 0.015 or 15 thousandths. So, since ito ay rate, times natin sa 100, so move tayo ng 2 decimal places sa right. 1, 2. So, nasa pagitan ng 1 at 5. So, kaya siya naging 1.5%. So, yun yung ating rate. So, para naman sa learning task 2, let us read the following problems, then solve. So, yung number 1 natin, a red dress, price at 550 pesos, is marked 15% off. How much will be the discount? So, ang hinahanap is discount. Ang formula natin for discount is TR times OP o discount rate times original price. So, ang discount rate natin, yung percent natin is 15%. Ang ating original price is 550 pesos. So, yan. So, multiply natin 15% sa 550. 50% pag decimal is 0.15. Times 550, ang ating discount is 82 pesos and 50 centavos. So, number 2, Mr. Edwin Lasso paid 13,599 pesos and 15 centavos for a television set that originally cost 15,999 pesos. What is the rate of discount? So, ang formula talaga sa discount rate is D divided by OP. Since wala tayong discount dito, kunin muna natin yung discount. Paano ba kinukuha yung discount? So, minus lang natin yung original price, which is yung 15,999, doon sa sale price. So, ito yung sale price niya, di ba? 13,599.15. So, ito po yung para makuha natin yung discount. Kasi walang discount dito sa given. Then, divided by yung original price ulit. So, yan. So, subtract muna natin yung 15,999 sa 13,599 and 15 centavos. So, ang magiging total nito, magiging difference nito is 2,399 pesos and 85 centavos. Divided by yung original price, which is 15,999, makukuha natin dyan is 1,500. Since ang hinahanap is discount rate, multiply natin yan sa 100. So, ang discount rate natin is 15%. Next, for number 3, a wristwatch that regularly sells at 1,580 pesos is on sale at 30% off. What is the sale price? So, magkano na siya kung babawasin natin 30%? So, para makuha yung sale price, mina-minus lang natin yung OP and yung discount, yung ating discount. So, since wala ditong discount again, hindi natin alam kung ano yung discount, paano ba kinukuha yung discount? So, multiply nyo lang yung discount rate sa original price. So, ito naman siya. Discount rate, original price, nandito naman siya. So, gamitin natin siya para makuha yung discount. So, ang ating original price is 1,580. Ang discount rate natin is 30%. So, ang gagawin mo natin yung nasa parenthesis. So, 30% times 1,580 pesos. So, ang 30%, pag kinonvert sa decimal ay 0.30. So, 30 hundreds times 1,580 is 474. So, yun yung discount. Then, we will subtract yung original price and yung discount. Makukuha natin is 1,106 pesos. So, ito na yung babayaran niya sa wristwatch. Then for number 4, the sales tax on a 25,400 pesos sala set is 3,048 pesos. So ito yung sales tax. Ito yung madadagdag doon sala set na 25,400. So what is the rate of sale? So ilang percent yun? Itong 3,048 na to. So ang RST or rate of sales tax, para makuha siya, i-divide nyo lang yung sales tax ito doon sa ating yung total. So yung total amount of product, yung TP. So yung 3,048 divided by 25,400, so makukuha natin dyan is 1,200. So since ito ay rate, times natin sa 100 para maging percent. So magiging 12%. So for number 5, a doll was sold for 2,460 pesos with an 18% discount. What was the original price of the doll? So para makuha to, so di-divide lang natin yung SP natin, selling price, ito, sa 100 minus yung TR natin, discount rate. So ang selling price natin, yung SP natin is 2,460. Then, 100 minus yung DR natin, which is 18%. So, 100 minus 18% is 82%. Then, convert natin into decimal, magiging 82 hundreds. So, 2,460 divided by 82 hundreds is 3,000 pesos. So, ito yung original price nung doll. Then, for number 6, so, how much money did Mr. Deo Lagario deposit to his bank account if at the end of the year, it earned an interest of 413 pesos at 3.5 interest rate? So, meron tayong interest, yung I natin, 413, ito yung tubo. Then, 3.5%, yun yung rate natin, and yung time is 1 year. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is magkano din-deposit yung principal. So, yung I natin, 413. Ang rate natin is 3.5%. And at the end of the year, so ibig sabihin 1 year. So, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, yung 3.5% times 1. So, yung 3.5%, convert natin into decimal, magiging 0.035 or 35,000 times 1. So, as is siya, so yun pa rin siya. 413 divided by 35,000 is 11,800. So, ito po yung dineposit ni Mr. Deo sa bank. Number 7, Mrs. Melanie Lasso pays 15 pesos and 75 centavos for each hair clip to its supplier. She decided to add a markup of 3 pesos and 15 centavos. What is the markup rate? So, dinagdagan ni Melanie yung price na 15 pesos 75 centavos na hair clip ng 3 pesos and 15 centavos. So, ilang percent yung dinagdag niya? So, markup rate po ang hinahanap natin. So, ang madali lang to, di-divide lang natin yung markup, which is yung 3.15 doon sa 15.75. So, 3 and 15 hundredths divided by 15 and 75 hundredths. So, magiging 20 hundredths. Then, since ito ay markup rate, so rate ito, times natin sa 100 para makakuha ng percent tayo, so 20%. Mrs. Irene Lasso, owner of clothing store, pays 200 pesos for PE set uniforms to its supplier. The store's percent of markup is 75%. Find its selling price. So, para makuha ang selling price, ang pinag-a-add lang natin yung cost at saka yung markup. So, since wala tayo ditong yung ating yung markup, alamin muna natin kung ano yung markup. So, paano kinukuha yung markup? So, multiply lang natin yung markup rate sa cost. So, ang markup rate natin is 75%, ang cost natin is 200 pesos. So, ito muna. So, 75% times 200. So, 0.75 times 200 is 150. Then, i-add natin sa cost na 200 pesos. So, 200 plus 150 is 350 pesos. Then, for number 9, Mr. Sunny Lasso is a real estate agent. He sold a lot for 1,580,000 pesos. If his agency pays him a 15% commission, how much will he receive? So, para makuha ang commission, multiply lang natin yung total sale, itong 1,580,000 pesos, sa commission rate, which is yung 15%. So, yung 15%, convert natin sa decimal, maging 0.15. So, pag minultiply natin sila, ang makukuha natin is 237,000 pesos. So, ito yung makukuha ni Mr. Sunny doon sa pagbebenta ng lupa. And last, number 10, Mrs. Conchita borrowed 20,000 pesos at 3.5% interest for 1 year. What was the total amount he paid at the end of the 1-year term? So, para makuha ang ating total amount, dadaan muna tayo sa interest. Alamin muna natin kung magkano ba yung interest nung hiniram ni Mrs. Conchita. So, para makuha ang interest, so, multiply natin yung principal, yung rate, at saka yung time. So, yan. So, multiply muna natin siya. So, yung 3.5% magiging decimal, magiging 0.035. So, kapag multiply natin silang tatlo, makuha natin 700 pesos. So, ito yung interest nung hiniram ni Mrs. Conchita na 20,000 pesos. So, para makuha yung total amount, so, i-add lang natin yung principal, itong principal, sa ating interest. So, kaya makukuha natin is 20,700 pesos. So, ito yung babayaran ni Mrs. Conchita sa loob ng isang taon. So, doon po nagtatapos ang ating lesson. So, alam kong medyo masyadong madaming formula na kailangan tandaan. So, pwede nyo itong aralin ng paunti-unti. And I hope po madami kayo natutunan sa ating aralin ngayong linggo. And I will see you next week.